Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very menacing looking vector from Sonic Mania. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this cool looking vector, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in the eyeball first. We're going to give him this mean brow right here. Just angle it and make this one slightly longer than this one. Alright, and then from the mean brow, we're just going to come down both sides. Now I'm just going to run a curve, just connect those. That's going to give us the eye shape. Alright, and then now for the eyeballs inside, just gonna draw a little egg shape right here. And then on this one, we'll be able to see part of it. Alright, so let me draw in another circle. Hope you guys can see this. I know it's really small. That's gonna be my highlight, and let me shade around it so we can see the eyeball a little bit better. And then this time I'm just gonna fill it in. Okay, so I know there's more details up here, but we're gonna draw in the snout first. So right here, I'm gonna extend this, go all the way out. Just add one little bump for his nose. And then curve in. That's gonna be the tip of the snout. So right here, you can start here. Maybe this is a little bit easier this way. Start over here, add one little line here for the crease, for the corner of the mouth. It's like a big smile right here. and then just go up and connect this. I know it's a little bit of a tricky shape there. Okay, so once we have this, now we can add in the eye details up here. So I'm gonna come up here again to the center, you make a little point, and then this side we're gonna curve out and then come down, just connect to that. And then on this side, go out, and we're just gonna stop right there. Okay, so now we can finish up the rest of the face. So this side's gonna curve out. So this one big bracket. So this will be the lower jaw. And before I draw in the lower jaw, we're gonna have to draw in the teeth right here first. So right underneath the nose, I'm just gonna add one big angle for his teeth. And then one more on this side right here. And then now we can draw in the jaw. So right here, we're gonna curve right behind the teeth. Once you have this curve, we're gonna go up slightly, and then this part's gonna come back down. Just connect that. Okay, and then let's see for the nose, we can add a little dot right there. And then now for the back one, just add one little bump. Okay, yeah, hopefully it's not too tricky. I know it's always a little bit harder when we have to draw something in a 3/4 view. All right, so from here we're gonna draw in the headphones that he's wearing. So right on the side right here, just draw a little egg shape. Connect the top right here, that's gonna be the top of the head. And then now we're gonna draw in, I guess, the handle for the headphone. Just one curve and then draw another one. All the way around, right over the eyes right here. All right, to finish up the upper part, I'm gonna continue with this right around here. Just come down. This will be a good stopping point. So everything up here is the head, and then we're gonna start on the body. All right, so from here, we're gonna start drawing the body, just right underneath the eye. Okay, just come down. I'm gonna curve in like this. And then on this part, leave a little bit of space. Continue the curve. We're gonna go down to his waist right here, and we'll close this off. So this is gonna be kind of like the waist area, and he's gonna have a belt right here. So I'm just gonna come down a little bit more and close that off. So that'll be a good stopping point. All right, so now let's draw in the arms, and let's draw in this side first, because this one's a little bit easier. Let's draw one curve like this first. And then right here, coming down, close it off. Extend the line, and then this is almost like a rounded rectangle. All right, and then now for his hand, just come to the middle of this. Let's draw a little hook, that's gonna be the thumb. And then close this off, that's gonna be the palm. Start on the outside right here, curve down, just kind of loop it, tuck it into the thumb. And then for the other fingers, we can add one little loop right there. Okay, so now let's draw on the other one. So right here, this part's a little bit tricky. We're gonna draw the arm on the inside first. Just draw two curves like this, coming down. We'll close this off. So we'll finish this part up first. So again, same shape as this one over here. And then now for the thumb, it's one hook. So again, it's gonna be slightly different from this one. Here's the back of the hand. Curve down and then round it up. Just kind of smooth everything out for the other fingers. And then one more little bump here. All right, and then to finish up the little detail on the shoulder right here, draw one little curve like this. And then on the outside right here, go out even more, come back in, and it should tuck right behind the arms. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. Let's see, he's got those little spikes in the back, but we can add that in later. Okay, we're gonna add in some detail to the tummy right here. Just right in the middle, just draw another curve. Okay, so now let's continue on to the bottom. And I'm gonna come down right here. We're gonna draw in this leg right here. Come straight down. Add 2 lines like this and close this off. And then from here, continue with this curve. Just come down right here. And let's see, let's go ahead and continue with this curve. We'll finish up the tail. So just go out. And then on the back side right here, let's keep going and just go all the way out. Just make sure this is nice and skinny right here on the tip. Okay, let's see, let's draw in the foot right here. We'll draw this one and then we'll draw the other one on the back. I'm gonna extend this, bracket down, close it with a curve, come down, and this one, come out a little bit more, and then just round it out. All right, and then now for the other one, let's draw 2 lines right here. Close it off. Bracket down again, and this one's gonna go out a little bit more. Bracket down and round it off going this way. And then now for the back of the foot right here, come down. This one's gonna come out a lot more. We're seeing it from the sides. And then again, just close this off. All right, and then to finish up the detail on the tummy, just draw a little curve, connect to that. All right, so now we can finish it out with some details. Right on the tummy right here, I'm just gonna add in 3 lines on the top. On the bottom right here, I'm just gonna add in 2. Okay, and then now for the spikes. So this part is pretty easy right here, now that we've drawn the overall body shape. So I'm gonna start on the top. It's got 1 big one, just come across, go back into the back. Okay, 1 more over here. So this one's gonna go out and it's gonna tuck it right behind the shoulders. All right, and then let's add a few more. I'm just gonna add 1 more here above the belt. Okay, so going lower, and we're just gonna make it a little bit smaller as we go. And that is it for this vector. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.